Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up and send data to Zapier webhooks. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a powerful way to automate tasks by connecting different apps through Zapier. First, we're going to start by creating a new Zap in Zapier, which is essentially a customized workflow that automates actions between your apps. When setting up this new Zap, you'll want to select Webhooks by Zapier as the trigger app. This choice is crucial because webhooks allow apps to send real-time data from one place to another, making your automation both instant and reliable. Once you've selected Webhooks by Zapier, the next step is to choose CatchHook as your trigger event. This sets things up to receive data, and selecting CatchHook will generate a unique webhook URL specifically for this Zap. Think of this URL as your Zap's doorway to receive information from other apps. Copy this generated webhook URL carefully, as maintaining its integrity is essential for what we're going to do next. With this URL in hand, you can now move to the next part, using this URL in the other system or app you're integrating with Zapier. You can do this in a few ways. Perform a POST request if you're familiar with APIs, a GET request if that suits your system better, or even just visit the URL in a browser with query string parameters if you're testing and want a quick way to see data flow through. Once data has been sent to this webhook URL, you need to test if your trigger is set up correctly in Zapier. This testing step is vital because it confirms that everything is working as expected and that the webhook is correctly receiving and processing data from your other apps or systems. In Zapier, you can easily verify this by checking the data that's been caught from your webhook. If everything's wired up correctly, you should see the data you sent appear here. There you have it. So that's basically how you can set up and send data to Zapier webhooks. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.